Hello guys, how are you? How are you doing? How are you feeling? And welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Healthy Bee. Yay! So today we are gonna make our first recipe out of my favorite, the tasty, latest and greatest, everything you want to cook right now book. And we're gonna be cooking this recipe right here, the buffalo chicken mozzarella sticks. Now I have all my ingredients. These are the ingredients you will need: 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 2 cups cooked and shredded chicken, half a cup of buffalo hot sauce, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 ounce packet of dry ranch dressing mix, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 eggs beaten, 3 cups of seasoned breadcrumbs, peanut or vegetable oil for frying, and ranch dressing to serve. So we have our ingredients over here. We're just missing the eggs. I haven't beaten them yet, but we are getting started. I have my cream cheese, my buffalo hot sauce, my mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, my flour, my breadcrumbs, and the dry ranch mix, as well as my ranch sauce for serving. And we went ahead and went with the vegetable oil. Today I have over here my chicken that I'm cooking. I'm gonna have to skin this afterwards, but that is okay. I'm cooking it and then I'm gonna shred it, and then I will be right back with the rest of this recipe. By the way, this is how I cook my chicken. You can cook your chicken however you'd like, but I just boil it at max temperature until it is cooked and there's no pink on the inside. So we'll wait for that for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we'll catch you guys back when it is cooked and shredded. So now that that's done, we're basically gonna combine everything except the breadcrumbs, flour, and eggs. So I have my Philly cheese, my chicken, my mozzarella sticks, nope, not mozzarella sticks, my mozzarella cheese, my cheddar cheese, my buffalo hot sauce, and the dry ranch mix. We're gonna mix this with a fork until well combined, and Clark is just gonna be waiting for scraps in the bag. When it's done mixing, it's gonna look something like this. We are then gonna transfer this to a baking dish, 8 by 8 inches. You're supposed to use parchment paper, but I didn't have any, so I just cut up a Ziploc bag. That was used because use, reuse, recycle, and whatnot. But yeah, we're just gonna transfer the mix into the baking dish. And smooth it with a spatula so that it's spread evenly in the dish. And then we are going to put this in the freezer and let it freeze for at least an hour, it says. Should be way more than an hour. You'll see why. So this part you have to do really fast, and I'll just warn you guys that it's not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look way more like this. You're supposed to work quickly, remove the solid mixture from the sheet or Ziploc bag because you're ghetto, and cut into 4 1-inch rectangles. There should be 16, it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, there's 12. Then you're gonna put a splash of oil into a frying pan and let it heat up like a conversation with your Spanish mama after you just got in trouble.
Are you sure you're frying it and not deep frying it? Because normally you don't take the temperature of the oil you fry in.
Sir? Now this is where we start royally fucking up. Now, like I said previously, these are way too big and they triple in size when you bread them. So I should have cut them in half, but here I go using these tongs to dip it in the flour, and then we're going to dip it in the eggs, and then we're going to do the breadcrumbs. But I will quickly realize that the tongs are not very effective for doing this. So I had to use my hands, which means that you're going to be doughing your fingers too. So you're going to have to rinse your fingers between doing this. And I'm also dumb because I'm supposed to prep these and then put them in together, like 4 or 5 of them in a pan but I was doing it one by one, which you shouldn't do. But here you see me dredging it in egg and breadcrumbs again and placing it in a frying pan after rinsing my hands off numerous times. I'm only showing you one though, because if I showed you every single time I did this, we would be here till the end of the world. There we have it, folks, our buffalo chicken mozzarella sticks. Now, won't you join us for a romantic sit-down dinner? Alright, let's taste test.
The ones on the bottom are very hot.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Can you say something else about it?
They're very good. No, they are. Sorry, I didn't realize your phone. I just wanted to warn you that, like,
Oh my god.
I'm on TV. These are really good.
You like them?
And it is spicier than I thought it was going to be. Like, I get more of the buffalo than I was expecting.
I love how cheesy it is.
I didn't get any cheese from that first initial bite. I got buffalo.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of cheese in there.
I know.
3 cups to be exact.
Cheese Louise.
Alright, does it pass the taste test?
Oh, yeah. That was really good.
Do we like it? I really like it.
How healthy is this?
Probably not healthy. Difficulty? Not difficult. Complexity? Very complex. Very elaborate prep. A lot of waiting
Don't point
time.
the camera over there.
Yeah, there's a mess over there. A lot of waiting time. I would say way more than an hour. The book said at least an hour to put it in the freezer, but I would say like 2 hours because they were kind of falling apart.
A little bit. I don't know. I feel like if we had the burner a little bit lower, I think the heat would have gotten through to the middle a little bit more before the outside started to turn dark. So I think that would have been, like, if we had just taken a little bit slower with the frying.
And the size. I mean, messed that up. But it would have been hard to, with how not solid it was, it would have been hard to cut it into smaller pieces.
This probably would have looked more like hash browns if you had cut them in half, like, or not in half, but this is so decadent. Like, it's bread, cheese, meat, cheese, and
meat.
ranch.
It's chicken. At least it's
Chicken's
chicken.
meat.
It's not meat. Like
chicken is meat. I'm just saying there's not a vegetable.
At least it's chicken and it's not meat. Beef.
Thank you. I was gonna say chicken is meat.
Anyways, we're gonna end this episode here. Thank you so much for watching.
It's very good. I do like it.
Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. You're so annoying to film with. Oh my god.